Hello everyone, Thomas from Wars 101 here again, and I just received a package from my friend Tim, and it's probably a late Christmas gift for me. I don't know what it is, but hopefully it's a new model engine for my layout. To find out, I'm about to open this box up and see what we got. So let's just. There you go. So let's begin by opening this box. And a word of advice, this is like a very first video of me actually opening up a package. So let's give it all the bubble wrap and see what we got. Okay. Some kind of. Some kind of bachmann thing, some kind of receipt. Here it is. Oh, wait, no, it's Gordon. Ladies and gentlemen, my new bachmann model happens to be Gordon the Express engine. Now that's the best Christmas gift of all. Oh, sorry about that. So now I have Gordon. My new Express engine has just arrived. And now he can pull the Express again. So let's just take him back into my room for a test run. As you can see here, this layout is just not like, it's just a plain floor layout for now. It's nothing major, just small. It may look big, but I'm planning to make it a little more bigger soon. When, I'm not sure, but anyway, you see I got like a lot of engines for the last few years. So now let's just put Gordon on the ground. In case you're wondering, a lot of you might ask, what's with your room and all that? Well, one. This whole place where I live in is an apartment. I just moved in November, so on this day, on January 14th, 2016, I moved. I've been here for like 2.5 months. So now let's just open Gordon up. So. We'll just put this box somewhere safe. I might keep the box. Now, let's take Gordon's tenure out first. This is the main. This thing is very important, so we can keep that. And the engine itself, Gordon. All right, let's do a little review on this guy. Of all the previous models I have to say, judging by the color and the tone of Gordon, the way he looks like, because Gordon is based on the A0 model in the United Kingdom. When Gordon first came to Sodor, he was apple green, like his brother, the Flying Scotchman. And 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 when he arrived on Sodor, he was face to face with 98462, and Henry, Edward, and all the other engines. Well, this is to my perspective when I saw on YouTube on based on Henry the Green Engine productions on the origins of Thomas and Friends. So yeah. So here we have Gordon finally. Hello, Gordon. I like this model very much. And when it comes to Gordon, I have to admit that Gordon is quite a really useful engine. He pulls the Express, and a little later, after Topham had rode in his coaches for the first time on Gordon's very first run, on that day, he went through 100 miles per hour, and the Express belonged to him. Gordon's base model is also based on the LNER. In fact, a lot of models are like Spencer's the A4, I think. Yeah, I think it is an A4. I can't remember, but anyway, and Thomas a E2. Toby's a tram engine, no doubt. I don't know why I said that. The other diesel being a class 8 Shunton diesel. Duck, well, we all know what class he is. He's a Great Western engine. Percy, small saddle tank engine. Emily, single Stirling, and so on and so forth. But anyway, for me and Gordon, I have to go with Gordon. I'm gonna have to say Gordon is like 100% for me. Reason why? Well, one, the way the model looks like, the way the tender looks. Because one, Gordon's model is based on the Flying Scotchman, his brother. But although his tender may be a little smaller than the Flying Scotchman, and the face maybe look different, and maybe the buffers, and the paint job, but all in all, that's exactly what he looks like. So I'd agree with that. So when it comes to Gordon being here, I have to admit Gordon is quite like a really splendid blue engine, and the fastest engine on Sodor. I love this engine so much. I have to admit, he's one of the famous engines on Sodor. So now we give him a little. So how about we give him a little test run, shall we? So now we have now I have Gordon out. So let's put him on the tracks very gently. So hopefully first, let's put the engine front wheel on there. Run him back and forth a little to make sure he's on the track properly. Now we add the tender. Back him up a little. Here we go. We're gonna run Gordon by himself first, so we can get a good feeling out of this. So let's turn our little switch on, and there we go. Don't worry, it's not Gordon, it's a track. Let's say this easy track is quite old. I'm trying to get a better layout. I won't be using this track anymore. And that's gonna be like hopefully my next video. When we build my model layout, it will be my next video. So here we have Gordon running, you can tell. And the eyes are moving back and forth. Okay, that's running good. Into the tunnel, and out of the tunnel, past my custom Judy and Jerome breakdown cranes, past Edward, and past the station. So we'll just come back to the station, and then we're gonna then turn Gordon off and add his express train. Here he comes. There we go. So now that's done, we add the express coaches. Okay, so now Gordon has the express train on him, and now let's test run him. Me and Gordon runs quite well. I'm glad to have him on my collection. I like how Gordon is. There we go. Now that's a lucky number 4 engine. I love how Gordon is. He's one of my famous engines. The great number 4 express engine is back online. My old. In my previous episodes, I said something about Gordon not being with me, but so this is like my 3rd or 4th Gordon. The reason why I said that, my last previous Gordons that had broken, I have another one somewhere. He might run. I'm not sure. I haven't seen him in a while. So mostly that's it. Or mostly what Gordon would say in the Adventure Begins movie would say, "Express coming through!" And that's exactly what he would say. So this is just a little layout update and my new bachmann model of Gordon. And you can see my rolling stock collection has grown quite a bit. I have a new freight car, freight cars as well. I got Scruffy, Troublesome Truck 1, 2 coal trucks, an oil tanker, and a customized Salty the Dockyard Diesel, and a custom model of the Spikeful brake van. So yeah. And here we have some other models. Like here we have Mavis Diesel and a custom model of Andrew. That's right, I named that Diesel after me because of my new series about to begin, which is Thomas and Friends Railway Adventures, and this Andrew model will be part of it. Emily here, she's a very beautiful engine, and she, in my show, she's gonna be voiced by none other than Liz Productions. Spencer, I need a voice for Spencer and Sir. So okay, here are the voices I need so far. I need a voice for Mavis, Henry. Well, I think I got some for Henry. I'm not sure. Here we're gonna do Spencer, Duck, Annie and Clarabel, Edward, Thumper, Caroline, Budge, Butch, Berty, Tarrance, Cranky, Bulstrode, Harold, and Toby. Possibly I might do Toby. I'm not 100% certain, but I might. But let's see what you guys think. So yeah, again, this is Thomas Fulmer's Wars 101. Thank you all for for watching this great video, and hopefully I'll see you all again soon. So until then, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did. Thank you. Thomas and Friends Railway Adventures will be coming soon to YouTube. Just keep waiting.
Reach for the speed, reach for the whistle, go where the rail may run. Reach for the words, reach for the story, follow the rainbow sun. To a shining time station, where dreams can come true, waiting there for you. So much to see, so far to travel, so much to learn to know. Friends by your side, hopes to hold on to, who knows how far you'll go.